Email analytics, opens and clicks?
Huh?
This isn't just for the marketing department. Opens and clicks help salespeople find hot leads. When a customer clicks on an email to download your PDF, watch your video, or read your blog, they're telling you they're interested.
Find some hot leads from our campaigns. Let's go to View Campaigns and find the one you're interested in reviewing, and let's click View. From here, you're able to see things like who opened your email and if they were interested enough in your email to click on your link. If you want to see how certain templates and subject lines performed, click Show and select Show Template and Subject Performance. This will allow you to compare all the stats and see if you need to change your template or your subject line. You can also drill into the clicks and opens by selecting them from the Opens menu. A well-performing email will generally have anywhere from 10 to 20% open rate on the total number of emails that were sent. If the open rate is low, we want to adjust the subject line. When they opened your email, they liked what they saw enough to click on the link. Generally, it will also be 10 to 20% of the people that opened your email will have clicked on it. So now if someone did click on your link, that means they're a hot lead. People are busy, and if they took the time to read your email and then clicked to download your PDF or watch your video, they're saying that they're interested.
Email analytics will help you make better business decisions and find out what your customers are interested in. This is a great way to make sure you're providing exactly what your contacts need and want and drive better sales engagement. Start using SalesNexus email marketing today so you can drive better customer engagement.